Hello and welcome to the Electric channel. I'm Robert and I present to you this poor Mercedes which has been abandoned for a year. And in that year, someone took advantage. Guess who?
That car was trouble.
That's a bone. First we need a battery. This shit. Oh my god. That's a bone. Definitely that's a bone. Oh, yes, Mickey Mouse was here. It's disgusting. This will never gonna start. These are the wires to the injector. Mikey was hungry. And also the last injector. The owner told me that before the car was pulled on the side of the road, it didn't start from the ignition key, only from the starter directly. So, we know something for now. Yeah, it's funny. At least this seat is working and it didn't have a rat strike.
So you have ignition? Yeah, nothing. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hungry little beast. Before it was completely dead, this car didn't started from the key, only from the starter directly. And I see there that purple wire, it goes to the starter. That's the signal for starting. It should come from a relay, but we will see later after finishing this disaster. Oh, another one. Yeah. So if you will follow that purple wire from the starter, it goes directly here, this plug upper here. Let's try it. So the starter, it's okay. Now in this moment I don't have a schematic with fuses and relays, but I've checked some of the relays and I found this one. So this one. So first I will replace this relay and see if it works. So that was the issue, that relay. Few minutes later, this Mercedes was back to life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.